this 2009 Mazda 323. All keys lost. We're going to make new keys for it. Okay, so first things first, we're going to have a look at Instacode and find the remaining 2 cuts of the key, and then we're going to use some LKP-02. We're going to write an image to that, and we're going to program it in. Okay, so time for a big test. Perfect. Light is flashing, we've got a key in the ignition, and we're going to program in so this is an all keys lost situation where the keys have actually been stolen from the customer. So what we need to do is wipe out the security, the rest of the keys, and then we'll program into new. This is a May 2009. It actually is the new key code entry. So just programmed in the key. Mobilizer goes off, and we'll start the car. Shouldn't work now. Well, actually we will check that, but they won't work because I erased all the keys that are in the memory. Okay, let's program it.